Check out our newest Blog Builder enhancement. Our latest update to the Blog Builder introduces support for section templates, global sections, and expanded options for buttons and social icons, enabling seamless integration of pre-designed sections and enhanced customization capabilities. Let's talk about the amazing benefits. First of all, this is going to streamline your blog creation. Now you can easily incorporate pre-designed section templates and global sections right into your blog layout. It's also going to help you enhance that amazing customization we all love. Now you can enjoy expanded options for buttons and even social icons. This is going to help you with consistent design across your website. Now you can maintain visual consistency across your website and your blog. When it comes down to practical use, this is just practical. This is a great feature. Imagine that you run a small business firm with a blog section on your website. Well, now with the Blog Builder enhancement, you can seamlessly integrate pre-designed sections such as testimonial blocks or maybe service offerings, and you can put those right into your blog posts, enhancing the visual appeal and conveying your expertise efficiently and making sure your audience actually sees it. So first, we also need to have a blog. So to add a blog to your site, you're going to go to Sites, and then you're going to go to Blogs in the upper navigation, and then you're going to click New. This is going to add that blog to your website. Now, let's go ahead and set up the blog. You're going to put in the blog title, the domain and the slug, the blog meta description, and then you're going to hit Create. Now we need to go ahead and edit the blog site. Once you're in that blog site, you're now going to see that you can add section templates. To do that, click on the plus icon and then go to Section Templates. Now you can choose a section and you simply drag and drop, very similar to the website or funnel builder. You can access other features as well, including buttons, social media icons, images, and even a progress bar. Elevate your blog content and do this with our new CRM's enhanced blog building feature. This is going to enable you to create visually stunning and engaging blog posts effortlessly. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.